In addition to my handmade paper making series, today's video is about converting a simple paper into a vintage paper that look and feel old. Hello all, welcome to Learn with Ritu. In this video, we will not only make vintage paper, but we also use it to make a vintage journal, a photo frame for your old black and white photographs, an envelope, tag and a vintage scroll. Let's start with paper dyeing. In the very first technique, I have used vinegar and rusted nails. Pour 1 teaspoon of vinegar in half cup of hot water and rusted nails and dip your paper in it for a few hours. The paper will turn into a grayish black paper. In the second technique, I am using dark brown water-based ink. Add few drops of ink in hot water and dip your paper for orangish brownish color. In the last technique, I am mixing instant coffee powder in hot water. You can use tea in place of coffee. Dip your paper to get a brown color paper. Here are the 3 outcomes from 3 different dye materials that we have used. To get more real and intense vintage look, prepare 2 mixtures of coffee. First one is diluted in comparison to second one, which is less water and more coffee. After dipping the paper in diluted mixture, dab some concentrated coffee mixture on the damp edges with a sponge. In another technique, randomly apply thick coffee mixture on the paper with a brush. And sprinkle some dry coffee powder on the damp surface and let it dry. Once your paper is dry, crumble it, tear down the edges, and burn the edges, and your vintage paper is ready to be used. First of all, we will use it to make a vintage journal. Take some coffee dyed papers, fold and cut them to make signatures. Hold them together, tear down and burn the edges. Mark the center and 2 holes at the same distance from it for stitching. Keep some extra thread so after stitching you can use it to wrap around and lock the journal. After stitching, tie a bead at the end of the thread to give it a perfect vintage look. And finally, draw some vintage pattern and your vintage journal is ready. To make a vintage envelope, take a square piece of coffee dyed paper, mark the center and fold the 2 opposite corners to it. Fold and paste the third corner to make the bottom. Fold the top corner for flap and your envelope is ready. Paste a dry flower with a glue gun seal for the perfect vintage look. To make a vintage tag, cut a circle out of coffee dyed paper. Write or put an impression on it. Punch a hole and tie a jute string. Draw some vintage floral patterns and your vintage tag is also ready. Vintage papers are perfect to make a photo frame for your old black and white photographs. Mark and cut a slightly smaller window than the photograph on a coffee dyed sheet. Tear down the edges of it. Paste the photograph on another vintage paper and paste this window sheet on top of it. Draw the borders and a frame is ready for your vintage black and white photograph. In the last, let's make a vintage scroll. Take a coffee dyed paper, tear down the edges and roll the corners a bit. Burn the edges at some places and draw a vintage border on it. Write a beautiful quote or a poem in the center. Now roll your sheet with the help of a pen. And tie a string around it, and your beautiful vintage scroll is ready. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Please like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching.